This kiln is I did for this company actually, Adva. They make essential oil, and this is the dish for the burner. So in a second you're going to see the bottom part of the burner. I thought it came out nice. No. Soap dish. If I had a soap, I would put it on, but this is also for somebody that actually makes soaps, and she asked me to make something for her, and so I'm making. It's in the making. Here. Oh, that came out nice. Kvod HaShofet Avi Cohen. That's for my brother-in-law. We're going to see him next week, and he has his birthday, so, and he's a judge.
What does it say?
It says, Your Honor, Avi Cohen. Your Honor. Okay, so I'm going to put this one here. Now, here comes all the burners. And I hope that they all came out good. Oh, I'm going to show you how it looks like with the top part. I actually made a little bit extra because I wasn't sure. You never know, really, how a kiln will come out. I mean, you hope for the best. Sometimes things happen. So I didn't want to take a chance. More. None of them got stick to the bottom, which is good. Always scares me that the glaze may drip and get stick to the bottom, but it didn't happen, so I'm very glad. Wait. Thank you. More. It's funny. Sometimes I open a kiln and I'm like, oh, I want to see what happened. How that came out and this came out, and if this is alright and whatever. And they're all the same. So it's good. It's good news for me that they all came out wonderful. That's it. I only have this batch to do. It's just the top part, and I'm finished. And I'm glad about it. Very happy. That's it.